I thought I'd take a quick look at how to use the cleanup batch task with this file type that I was given in the community. Very simple example. So I've created a file type already. It was very simple. No need to go into that. But if I just open the file up, any language will do. You can see that this is what I get. So I've extracted this text from the attribute value. You can see it's the attribute value from the tag document structure that you get over here on the right. But what we have are these two tags in the middle here that we want to try and get rid of. So the way we're going to tackle it is we're going to create a rule using the cleanup source batch task. So we go to cleanup source, next, and then we come down to the bottom here where it says use conversions. We're going to create a new conversion. So I'll click on plus. I'm going to call this hashtags because we want to get rid of some hashtags. I'm going to search for hash. I use regex for that, it's simple enough. And I'm going to replace it. I have to give it the name here, so I'm going to say locked name equals, and I'll call it, I'll just call it hash, two hashes, that's it, same thing. And I'm going to make those a placeholder. So I'm going to save those settings, and I'll save those in my, where should we go? Save them in here. So it's at tags settings, just in case I want to use them again. And I say finish, close. And when I reopen the file, you can see now they're tagged. So I can apply them as a tag. What I can't do is I can't provide any information to this to make it then segment that attribute onto two different lines. So you still have to deal with it, but at least you'd be able to separate the tags out and have proper words. So that would be somewhat better. And if you had repeat sentences, it would recognize it was a tag and take advantage of that. Now I'm just going to copy the source to target for a second. I'll just put something there at the beginning so you can see what it is. And I'll show you how to save the target, because if you save the target the normal way, this will appear as a tag inside the target XML, which is not what you want. So when you save the target file, you have to use the batch task, clean up target and generate files. This one. You don't need to select any rules or anything out from here because it already knows what's being used. So I just click finish, but I just have to use that the moment it's going to the desktop. So let's move that and put this into, oh, I don't like this. Let's put it into documents, STL. I much prefer the navigation window on the newer format rather than this old Windows style, because I can't use it very well. Where are we looking? Testing. Here we go, this one. So I'll put the file in here. Or I better create a new folder for it because it's going to overwrite it. Target file. Okay, so it's going to put it in my target file folder, and I click finish, close. I can reopen it, and when I reopen it, what you'll see is that it's removed the tags. So it has saved the target correctly using that. And if I now come back to here and I go and look in the target file folder, there's my target file folder. F4. There we go. Exactly like the original, only translated. You can see from the underscore at the beginning. So that's another way to work around it. Not perfect, but actually it's a pretty clever little app. It might make it a bit easier for you.